Yes, good afternoon, my people. It's your boy Anthony here. Just gonna show you guys the aftermath of the snowstorm that we got the other day. This is what it looks like outside. Yeah. This is where my granddaughter lives. I just bring her home from school. So I'm on my way back home now. Whenever she gets off school, I gotta take her home. Yeah. So you can see, ladies and gentlemen, you can see the snow on the ground. Well, the streets are cleared, but the snow is on the sidewalk and on cars and things like that. Gonna take days before it's melted away. We're getting a little sunshine, but trust me, don't let it deceive you. It's cold, I'm telling you. It is devastatingly cold. Don't let the sunshine and the beauty of the afternoon deceive you. It is extremely cold. The whole city, as far as the eye can see, it's snow and more snow. Yeah, but the roads are clear, you know. The guys who plowed the snow, they did a good job. Yeah. As you can see outside, there's lots of sunshine, but it's cold. Yeah. You can see the sun. There it is. The sun is out in its glory. Yep. Well, just gonna go home now and take a rest because I gotta go to work tonight again. I just want you guys to see what it looks like, you know, after the storm, and they clear the road of the snow. They push the snow to the sidewalk. And the people who owns the building, they gotta clear the middle of the sidewalk so people can walk, because if a person walk and slide and hurt themselves, the person who owns that building is gonna be sued. That's the law. So everybody who owns their building, they gotta shovel their sidewalk. Yeah, that's how it is. It's a beautiful evening, you know. The only problem is that it's cold, you know. You gotta make sure you dress properly, you know. Have your thick coat on so you don't catch a cold. Yeah. Right ahead there on the left, there's the STEM school for the children who are gifted. One of my granddaughter used to be there. She's in college now, so she's not at this school anymore. Right here on my left, that's the East Orange STEM school. Yep, there it is. That's what it looks like after the snow. You can see the roads are very, you know, it's well looked after, well prepared, but the snow is still on the sidewalks and on top of the roof of the houses. But it's cold, I'm telling you. Yep, so let me turn it around. Yeah, so ladies and gentlemen, this is the boy Anthony. With that being said and done, see you guys in the next video. I'm gonna be out now.